calling, or the wind blows and the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart.
Good morning. Good morning, guys.
You sound like a vlog.
Yeah, today is Wednesday, December 8. Magla-lunch order sila today. Kahapon libre yung lunch nila. Supposed to be kahapon yung lunch order nila kasi... today's Thursday, Han? Yeah, kahapon pala yung dapat na lunch order nila. Bulol yan. Lunch order nila kasi may palibreng lunch sa school. So, ngayon sila magla-lunch order. And, ginamit na to ni Holly, guys. Ayan na. Chinarge ko to. Ginamit na to ni Holly. And, nag-start siya mag-vlog. So, abangan niyo sa All Things Holly, guys. Mag-vlog na daw siya ulit. So, siyang unang gumamit nito. Ang cool nito. Sana nga lang malinaw. Ayan. Si Daddy ang nagsusulat ng lunch order. Ayan na siya, oh. What do you want, Baba?
Daddy. What do you want, Zach? Oh.
Is that yours?
No. Check.
What do you want for lunch?
I got a treat.
Yeah, what is it?
I want a sausage. I want a hot dog roll.
Oh, okay. Okay. Wash your face now, come on. Ready ko yung breakfast ni Holly. Meron pang tira dyan na ano. Do you want Fruit Loops, Baba, or cornflakes? Cornflakes. Tawag nun? Meron pa dyan na tirang, ano yun? Longganisa. Pero gusto niya mag-cornflakes.
Oh, Mom, do you have any fried rice?
Fried rice? Yeah, a little bit. You want?
Can I have that at school?
At school?
After school.
After school? Si fried rice na si Kuya after
How
school.
much left?
Not much.
What?
Ito na yung kanilang,
Where is it?
lunch box for lunch order.
Yeah,
Ayan.
good enough.
Ayan, nilagyan ko siya ng konting sugar. Yung mga boys, dun yan sa school magbe-breakfast, guys. Kasi may palibre doon na toast. At saka may fruits din doon na palibre. So, hindi ako nag-worry sa kanila kung ayaw nila mag-breakfast. Kasi, meron din silang, doon, pagkain sa school.
Got dressed in my uniform. I'm gonna eat my breakfast. Today for my breakfast is cornflakes. It's made out of corn.
Sabi niya, hindi siya magbe-breakfast. Sa school daw siya magbe-bread, magto-toast and Vegemite. Tingnan niyo. Kinakain niya yung fried rice. Go eat it now, yeah, if you want.
Why not after school?
Gusto niya, after school niya pa kakainin. Alright. What?
Not that hungry today.
You're not that hungry today? Saan ko na siya ng snack. Habang siya doon ay nagbe-breakfast. And nagbe-vlog siya doon.
Yeah, no, stop it.
Oh, diba? Hindi nakate si Kuya. Kainin niya na lang.
I'm hungry.
You're hungry now? Pag may fried rice talaga, gustong-gusto yan ni Kuya.
Mommy, did you put sugar?
Yes, I did.
You.
Ito yung Holly, ha? Why your hat is here, Baba?
Oh, because I can't put my hat anywhere.
Why?
Because the kids has to go in ours.
Oh, yeah.
So we have to
They
take
couldn't
our
even have
hat.
transition.
Yeah, transition. Okay. So, yan yung kanyang snacks.
Annabelle's at school now.
Chickadis. Tapos yan. Ayan. Yan.
Oh, mine.
Tapos, yung lunch order niya. Hinintay niya lang si Kuya. Si Holly,
What class are you in?
may transition pa si Holly kahapon. Si Zach next week. So, mag-move sila sa, ibang classroom.
You know the pig kids?
You're almost done? Drink the milk.
Yeah.
Si Kuya kumakain pa. You're not gonna wait for Sophie?
Love you.
Love you. Listen and...
Learn.
Sophie's not coming today?
I think because she will be here on it.
Ask Daddy. I think she will. Tapos na siya mag-breakfast and... Tapos na siya mag-breakfast. Naglalaro naman siya yung mga rubbers niya. Ayan. Ang cute nito, guys. Ang kaso, mabilis siyang uminit. Mainit siya. It's hot. Kasi medyo yellowish. Yun lang. Ayos na si Kuya. Ayun. Ganun siya mag-kiss. Okay, see you, Holly.
Hang on.
Go, go.
I need to do this.
Listen and learn.
I
Go.
don't touch this.
Come on. Nag-edit ako, guys. 10 o'clock na si John. Busy linis sa labas. Nag-cut na siya ng yung mga sa gilid. Ayan siya. Kanina, kinat niya yung mga nag-whipper-snipper siya kanina. Ngayon, nag-blower naman siya. Ha? Nag-edit ako si Jan. Nag-cut ng grass. Di ba kanina siya? Tingnan, let me see your face. Let me see your face. I can see it, honey. Tingnan niyo, ang dungis-dungis niya. What did you do?
Dust.
Dust, tingnan niyo, parang siya may must. Nag-edit ako. Nag-edit ako ng video ni All Things Holly. Balik na siya, guys. Hopefully. Pero ayan, nag-start siya kanina. Today is December 8. Ayan. Nakapajama pa ako, guys. Tapos ko na i-edit yung vlog ni Holly. Yung vlog ni Holly na in-upload ko sa channel niya is yung mga clips na nakita ko sa phone ko na hindi ko alam na nag-vlog siya doon. Kaya raw vlog yun. Pero next, tomorrow or maybe tonight, pag kaya ng power ko, i-edit ko yung vlog niya today. Kasi nag-start siya mag-vlog today. Gamit yung yung camera natin, yung maliit. Yung DJI. Basta yung packet number 2. Si Jan, sabi niyo Jan, panoorin ko na itong golf. Umalis kasi si Jan ulit after niya mag-cut ng grass. Nagpahinga siya. Nanood siya ng golf. Tapos, umalis. Binili niya sa akin na tingnan ko raw kung sino yung mananalo. Ako talaga manunod ng golf. Punta tayo dito sa shed ni Johnny Boy. Andito pa to, guys. Dito nilalagay ni Jan yung mga nahuhuli niyang isda. Hindi yung lobster. Yung isda pa nagcha-charter siya. Kuha tayo ng... Diba? Andito yung mga... Ito yung mga ginamit ni Jan kanina. Naglinis siya sa labas. Ayan yung snipper. Whipper snipper? Not sure. Yan. Basta ito yung blower. Punta tayo dito. Kasi ang dinner natin for tonight ay hindi naman ganun ka hirap lutuin, guys. Napakahirap talaga niyang lutuin. Ayan. O, diba? Dito sa shed ni Jan, tingnan nyo yung na. Bago to, hindi na ngayon. Bago to binili ni Jan, bago niya nilagay dito. So, ngayon, maalikabok na. Oh, ang laman ng freezer. Meron na siyang ice kasi yung mango shake niya, baka mamaya maggawa ako ng mango shake. Ang laman ng ating freezer. Gusto niyo bang tayo, tawag nun? Mag-haul ng freezer kung anong laman. Ayan, meron tayong isang box na, isang bag ng Coke. Ito yung tuna na gagawin kong gourmet. So, siguro after Christmas ko na lang to gawin. We'll see. We'll see. Hindi ko alam. Basta nandyan lang siya. Naka-freezer. Okay. Unang laman ay shark. Ito yung shark na isda, guys. Kita. Ganyan ako. Ano ba yun ang ingay? Ang ingay ng ano yan. Yung parang hindi ko alam kung anong tawag. Basta yung parang may bilog siya sa taas na may hangin. Ang galing mag-explain. Okay, ito yung yung tuna. Ang hinahanap ko ay alam, may ice cream pa pala dito. Kunti na lang to. Tanggalin na nga to. Bakit na lang yan. Alisin na natin ito. Ay! Ang hinahanap ko ay yung bacon. Ayan, ito yung tender juicy na sabi kong meron pa tayo. And ito yung kikiam. Kailangan ko na yung lutuin. Oh, and nandito yung crab. May crab din ako. And snapper. Ito yung last ano pa to ni Jan. Huli. Last ano pa. Basta matagal na to dito. Kasi ang ano, meron tayo ditong fresh to na binili ko. Ito yung langka. And nandito pala yung mga ano ko, fish balls. Oh, magawa tayo niyan. Mag-fish ball kaya ako. Ay, sige nga. Ilabas ko itong dalawa. Gawa ako yan. Mamaya. Magtusok-tusok ako. Wala na na yung ano. Baka wala na akong ano. And meron tayo ditong espada. Alam niyo yung espada, guys? Masarap ang espada. Naghanap ko yung bacon. Baka nandun sa isang freezer. Nasa isang freezer. Yun, mayroon pang isda dito. Anong isda to? Anong isda to, Johnny Boy? Meron pa kami isda, guys. O, hindi ko alam kung anong isda to. Pero, parang masarap siya. Last time, ang daming niya pang ano. Ano dito? Ang daming shark. Kailangan ko na itong lutuin. Mga shark. Ayan, oh, shark. Ang dami nating shark. Oh, shark. Hala, dito pa pala. May longganisa. Ilagay ko ito dito sa top. Oh, ang lamig. Sakit. Ito na. Ito na yung bacon na hinahanap natin. Yan yung bacon. Sinabi ko ba kung ano lutuin? Yung dinner namin tonight is clubhouse. Kasi dapat nung isang araw yon nung may presentation yung mga bata sa school. Pero hindi natuloy, di ba? Kasi nakikain tayo kila Sophie. Eto, mayroon pa ako dito chicken. Ilagay ko na rin to sa ibabaw. Si Kuya, gustong-gusto niya yung roast chicken ko. Ilagay ko na rin sa ibabaw para yan yung mga next nating lulutuin. Ang lamig-lamig. Bako yan kasi bako din natin masarap. So, nahanap na natin yung bacon. Kakain. Ayun na yung ating lulutuin mamaya. Kakain ako, guys, ng pansit kasi meron pong pansit. Ang sarap. Si Kuya gustong-gusto niya to din. Na pansit. Ayan, dito ko siya nilalagay, oh. Ayan yung pansit. Meron pa. So, ito yung lunch ko. Diba? Ang tagal ng pansit. Pero masarap pa siya, guys. As in. Init lang natin. Kunin ko yung tomatoes.
My one's running through. Mom?
Clubhouse.
Huh?
Ito yung lettuce, oh. So, ayan yung bacon. I-air fry na lang natin yan. Alis daw siya. Where are you going? Brat?
Right.
Huh? You're going for a ride. Be careful, ah. What?
Can I do it with this one? Do I get to have the white one too?
Yeah.
That one's watery still. Just have to be a tiny bit of water.
Okay.
Just a tiny bit. 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 Just a tiny b just... Oh, that was massive. Kids can't do that. Letters are good for you, are they not? Oh, not tomatoes. Why are some parts hard to peel? My lucky lost. Tomatoes. Tiny bit. It's a tiny. Mommy, I'm getting my stove.
I think it's done, Baba. Nothing here.
Yes, there is.
No, nothing. It's empty.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.
So, ayan na guys yung gagawin nating clubhouse. Mamaya, initin ko to.
Are we going to the club?
No, I'm going to reheat this one sa sa toaster saglit lang para mainit pa rin siya. And yung egg, ginaganito ko yung egg.
They look like popcorn.
Huh?
They look like popcorn.
Looks like popcorn.
Yeah.
Para madali lang ilagay.
Can I
Good
do it?
luck kay Sak.
Let me do that.
Kasi si Sak ayaw niya yung may yolk.
I wonder why Zach doesn't like it.
I know, I'm not sure. Ayan na yung bacon. Hatiin ko na rin kaya to. Kumakain na siya ng cheese. Hinintay na lang talaga namin si Johnny Boy. Ano na, 5:15. Tama-tama. Parating na yun. Kasi 5:20 niya pipick upin yung chips.
Look at my beard.
No bacon. Later na.
No, look at my beard.
Hintay ng coconut water.
Is that healthy for you? Is it healthy for everyone if they like it? Sure.
Tayo ko na lang si Johnny Boy. Narinig ko na yung carne dyan. So, initin ko na yung toast. Oops. Tapos, i-butter. Then, ilagay na natin yung mga na-prepare natin dito. Mga yan. So, yan yung dinner natin. Very easy. Can you get me plate, Baba, please? Ito yung chips, huh?
Bob,
Ba,
get the plate.
please. I just pre-toast that one. Cold down.
Where's Zach?
You went for ride. Ito yan.
By yourself.
Just off.
Yeah.
Oh, Jimmy!
Ew.
Baba, get me plate for Daddy.
I did!
No, this is for the chips.
Let it
Hold up. I-hit ko rin to. Wala. Nalobat ako. Ininit ko to. And eto, okay na to. Mainit na siya. Lagyan natin siya ng butter.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.
Okay, one down.
Dinner for 20 people. It's an all-star lineup. We've also got our beautiful 45-year-old express
Wala pa yung voice.
Mango shake though.
Yeah, I can make you mango shake. Give me ice, come on.
Holly don't want any, she said.
I did!
No, you didn't. You said, I don't want any.
Yes, I did. You're gonna catch it?
Yeah.
And
How much ice you need?
Huh?
How much ice you need?
A lot.
I'm having one.
Pardon, Holly.
Pardon.
Here, honey, go. This one.
Just that one?
Let's see, yeah.
Or this one?
Yeah.
No, it smells
Well,
like cooking.
it's alright, it's not
Oh,
gonna...
it's going to go in the ice.
Ayan na yung ating clubhouse ni Johnny Boy. Clubhouse.
Clubhouse. Clubhouse.
Ayan. Okay, ayan na, diba? Parang nasa restaurant din siya. Shut the door, Baba. Yan. And can you grab a knife for Daddy, please? Oh, you know what, babe? I forgot to put the eggs.
Are you joking?
Sorry.
Give me one for now to start eating.
Okay.
You didn't put sauce on there.
I did. It's mixed up
Alright.
right there.
Leave it all.
Ah, nakalimutan ko yung eggs.
Silly you, Mama.
Okay, have that one. Nakalimutan. Ininit-init ko pa to. Ano?
Do we get to go to a pub?
Holly said, what's this for, huh? Mom. Said, for clubhouse. Are we going to the pub? I go, no. Club? No.
Woogie.
You said it.
Ano, okay?
Yeah. Well, I not come there. Want me out.
Can I
Huh?
just
Well,
test
I'll come there
it?
watching
Could
that.
I just test
That's your
it?
mukbang, babe.
Can I just test it?
Okay, I'm gonna make your... Ano na, yung... mango shake. Ayan na yung kanyang yellow. Yellow.
I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
I want some more. I want some more, Mama.
Okay. So, ayan na yung kay Johnny Boy. Here you go, sir.
Mama.
Wow, ubos na yung... Welcome.
I was trying to drink it, it didn't
Look
come.
at you.
I was trying to drink it, then I done that, and then it wouldn't still come, and then I done it fully.
Pinalagay dito ni Holly yung kanyang ano. Tawag ito yung kanyang mango shake. Ang cute, oh. Parang halo-halo. Dito na yung mga boys.
So I have my
What?
mango smoothie, whatever it's called. Please.
Yes, sir. Wait lang. Gawin ko muna.
Sir.
I'm gonna do your bread first.
I want the bacon.
That's good. Yeah. Just gonna mix it.
egg and
Lettuce
just
and
lettuce,
tomatoes.
no tomatoes.
Why?
Because I don't want it.
Yes, you will love it.
No, I won't.
Yeah.
Lettuce will make the meal. It will. And bacon. Please.
Ito yung kaysa. Kalahati lang daw yung gusto niya. For now. Ayan, may egg na. Kanina nakalimutan ko lagyan si Jan. And then, another cheese. May cheese na yan sa ilalim. Where's your plate, Zach? Small plate, please. Uy! Wait, baliktad, baliktad, baliktad.
Get that way.
That way. Baliktad. Yan na, guys. That's all the chips you wanna
I
have?
have more.
Alright.
Don't forget.
Don't forget what?
Mango smoothie, please.
Mango smoothie?
What do you call it?
Mango shake.
Oh, mango. Yeah, mango shake, please.
How about, Kuya? Where's your glass?
Go get him one. Holly, please.
Okay. Holly, get Kuya.
Have the spoon. Thank you. And please. I don't want one of them ones.
You don't want this?
No, I want a bigger cup.
No, get the glass one.
Yeah, can I get the...
Okay, Kuya. I forget the lettuce. I forget the lettuce. Okay, Kuya. Nabara na tayo. Kuya.
Hi.
Welcome. Okay. Tapos na ako mag-serve ng pagkain nila. Si Oli tapos na kumain. Ayan. Naubos niya yung kanyang mango shake.
Is there
Okay.
any more?
What?
This?
No more. Tapos na lahat kumain except sa akin hindi pa ako kumain kasi kumain tayo ng pansit, diba? And nakapaglinis na tayo. And nakapaghugas na ako. Eto oil to. Itatapon niya ni dyan sa, sa labas. So, yan. Ida-dry ko na lang siguro yan mamaya. We'll see. Pero sa ngayon mag-i-edit ako. And, ayan sila. After nilang kumain. Hoy, honey, that's not a ball, babe. No, that's my exercise. And I don't want that one because you might hit my Christmas tree, Zach. Jan.
That is 3K that weighs. 3K.
No, that's... How many kilos is that one? Yung ano ko yan, pang exercise pero hindi ako nag-exercise.
Daddy, on the box, left there.
No.
And you know, I was trying to hit his foot.
Why are you trying to hit his foot?
A
Hit the
duck?
bowl's head.
Honey! That's enough. That's enough. Mag-edit na ako. Niinis ako. Baka matamaan yung Christmas tree. Kasi may mga glass ako dyan na ornament. Mane! Yung mga balls at saka yung ano, yung snowflake. Ayun.
No, you should not. No, you take this.
Where are you gonna put that one, Kuya? Yeah. What? Ah, outside.
Christmas for me.
Hey, Mom, we have a decoration.
Not like Tom's.
It's not there.
Dito na yung mga bata, 7:20. Na guys, tingnan nyo, ang ano pa ng araw, ang taas-taas pa si Sak, nasa taas ng bubong. Hi, Baba! I know, you can swing very well now.
Hi, Mom.
Ayun si Sak, oh. Ay, ang lamig. Okay, Baba, it's cold. I'm cold, baby. Go get jacket, Baba. Ang sarap din sa mag-massage. Nakaligo na sila. Si Holly na lang ata. Who's in the shower? Holly or Kuya TJ?
TJ.
Kuya TJ. Go massage. Ang sarap niya
I mean
mag-massage.
TJ. Yeah, TJ. But did I say Holly?
I don't know. TJ. Ang sarap niya mag-massage. Oh, that's it?
I've been massaging you for like 5 minutes.
More, please. More. Oh, ang sarap ni Sak mag-massage, guys. As in, ano siya, may pressure talaga. Oh.
Does it still play?
I did. No, it's just alright. It's gonna play some. See? Sarap.
Yeah.
Nakauna yung heater namin, guys, kasi ang lamig. I'm still sick. I'm still sick.
Abby.
I love you too. Tapos ko lang yung ina-edit ko, guys. Nanonood ako ng TV Patrol. Hindi nanonood. Nakikinig lang ako kasi may TFC ako. So, tapusin ko lang itong ini-edit natin. Guys, munti ko na makalimutan i-close yung vlog. Time check is 11:05. Uploading na yung vlog ko for tonight. Pero siguro mga, ano pa yan, mamaya pa yan. So, i-ano ko na lang siya. Schedule ko na lang siya. So, yun na yung vlog natin, guys. And, dapat di ko makalimutan yung aking gamot. And, kung mapapansin nyo, hindi na ako umuubo. Kasi, wala na tayong ubo. Ano na lang talaga? Runny nose, sipon na lang talaga. Nung isang araw pa ako hindi umuubo. So, hindi na makati yung lalamunan ko. And, uminom lang tayo ng gamot para matanggal tong sipon. Yun lang. So, yung night tablet ang iinumin ko. So, yun na, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. See you tomorrow. Good night.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the